Welcome to the copywriting course. Now, I absolutely love copywriting. I think it is one of the most underrated business skills in existence. So what is copywriting? Copywriting is salesmanship in print. It's using your words to sell something. And you've actually seen copywriting multiple times on a daily basis. Any email that is trying to get you to take an action is a form of copywriting. Billboards, that's copywriting. Landing pages for websites, especially startups or software as a service companies, that's all copywriting. Brochures, that's a lot of copywriting there too. So the key point about copywriting is it's writing that is designed to make someone take an action. And this was actually really popular in the 1960s when people would do direct mail campaigns. So they would write sales letters, mail these sales letters off to thousands of people, and those people would purchase the products based on the quality of the sales letter. So originally, copywriting sole purpose was to exchange money. But with the internet, salesmanship in print has grown tremendously, or copywriting. And what I mean by this is a lot of times you get emails that ask you to sign up for another email list, but they're not asking you for money. So the definition of copywriting has evolved, and now it's writing that is designed to make someone take an action. And actually, you're going to notice this a lot if you go on websites. They almost always capture your email before they try and sell you something. And that's because once they get your email address, then they can use copywriting to sell their product to you. And once they have your email, they can contact you anytime they want, and it's really easy for them to do so. So why would you want to learn copywriting? There's so many reasons. You can literally apply it everywhere. It actually helps you develop a customer-focused mindset. So the whole lesson that copywriting really revolves around is people don't care about you, they care about themselves. And I know this can sound kind of pessimistic, but it's really important. And if we understand this, we can actually use this to our advantage. So people are always looking for what's in it for them. Just because you think something is great doesn't mean your customer is going to think it's great either. It only is going to be great to your customer if they see how it can directly benefit their life. And when you learn copywriting, it's like delivering your best sales pitch thousands of times. So let's say you're a really good salesperson and you're working at a car dealership. You can only pitch to around 30 to 50 people a day. But if you're an excellent copywriter, you only have to write your sales letter once, and it can be distributed all over the internet thousands of times through emails. You could do a direct mail campaign, and that's actually still really effective. But the point is, once you write your sales letter once, that's it. You don't have to pitch again. You've already written down your sales pitch, and now you can just send it out. And with the power of the internet, there has never been a better time to learn copywriting. And as you can imagine, there is a huge demand for people with copywriting skills. Businesses are recognizing that they need words that help other people take an action. And not only is the business to consumer market really needing copywriting skills, but actually the business to business market really needs copywriting skills as well. And there's a huge amount of people that have become freelance commercial copywriters, and they're making a ton of money every year by writing copy for business to business sales. So sorry if I got a little overwhelmed, or I overwhelmed you a little bit, but I really just think copywriting is an awesome skill. And if you learn it now, it's going to pay dividends your entire life. And if you're currently running a business and you're trying to sell more product, copywriting is going to directly help you make sales. And just as a little tidbit, one example, and there's many, of great copywriting is there was an ad. And the ad did decently well. It made some sales. But all they did was change the headline of the ad, and they increased the sales by 5 times. So that's 500% increase in sales just by changing the words. So your words are very powerful. And in this course, you're going to learn exactly how to use those words to your advantage.